Alright, y'all done seen these before. About to shoot a video, one of the songs y'all heard me play in my van, but just sound a whole lot better in because you ain't gotta worry about no 3-inch exhaust. But anywho, man, watch the lows drop on this right here, man. Go ahead and hit that button, man. Turn up the RPMs a little bit. Low bass, y'all. In the Civic. Alright. We ain't done yet neither, man. Check this out. Just ease it back up. Y'all see that right there? Pushing that gasket out the windshield, man. Look at this, man. Alright, y'all, loose cannon, we out, y'all. And it still ain't up, like I say. One little battery, man.